Hello students, in this video we will discuss strings in JavaScript. In JavaScript we can declare the strings using single quotes or double quotes according to our requirement. Look at this example. Let single quote string is the variable name and it is been initialized with hello world. And if you observe carefully, unlike other programming languages, JavaScript allows us to have multiple strings assigned to a variable. Here you can see hello followed by comma and world. Same way, we can use double quotes to declare a string in JavaScript. Then in ES6, template literals have been introduced. Now using this concept, we can have multi-line strings. Look at this example. We have a variable called name whose value is Jane. Then we have a variable called greeting. Greeting has a value hello followed by dollar and within curly braces we have name. So this is the template literal. So in this place, the value that has been assigned to name will be printed. So here you will get hello Jane. Then we can have a single character access using the respective index value. Here I want to find out the index 0's character. So for that I need to mention the variable followed by the index position enclosed within the closed brackets. So here for greeting the first character is hello. In hello the first character is H. So here we get H. Okay, this is pretty common. Many programming languages have such facility. Even JavaScript provides us with that facility. Then what are the common operations we can use to manipulate strings? Okay, first common operation is combining them or concatenation of two strings. Here by simply using the plus symbol we can join both the strings, or we can use the concat method like you see in the example here. Then we can also find the length of the string using the length keyword. Then we can also compare. So strings can be compared using comparison operators, and these are the comparison operators, and these compare the strings lexicographically, that is alphabetically. While working with them, I insist you to work on the first two operations. They are pretty interesting. You will have great fun learning them. Then searching and matching. Now this is pretty interesting concept where we can search for a specific string and we can even match them with another string, okay, and we can do various other performances. Like we have methods here, index of method, includes method, starts with method, ends with method, and regex related methods. Regex related methods will come to that point in the later classes where we will be discussing regular expressions. Okay. So I have taken one interesting example here, that is includes method. Now I want to check if Jane has been included in this particular variable. So I will be using greeting dot includes Jane. Now this method will check if Jane string is present in greeting variable or not. Okay. That is one interesting operation. Later, manipulation. We have various methods that manipulates the strings, like we have slice, substring, replace, trim. These are all used to extract, replace, trim the strings. Let's look at a few. First, we have sliced. How to use slice? So here I have taken a variable called sliced is equals to greeting dot slice, and here I have two parameters. I want to slice off a string within the index values of 0 and 5. So I have mentioned the index values 0, 5. Then splitting and joining. The split method divides a string into two. Okay. So basically these two strings are assumed in two substrings, sub arrays. And join. Join can merge an array of strings into a single string. Okay. Split, it divides a string into an array of substrings, and join joins an array of two substrings. Here is the example. So let words equals to greeting dot split. Okay. So here hello and Jane, we got two substrings. Then let new greeting equals to words dot join. So whatever the values that are there in words, that is hello and Jane, will be combined. So we get the output as hello Jane. Then we have case conversion. Now pretty clear, two lowercase and two uppercase. Okay, by looking at the name you can justify what they are useful for. Two lowercase converts all these strings to lowercase, whether or not they are in uppercase or lowercase, and two uppercase converts all the lowercase strings to uppercase. Here is an example. So let lowercase greeting, this is a variable to which I am assigning this portion. Greeting dot to lowercase is being assigned to lowercase greeting, and here is the output. So like this we have lot of uses and lot of applications where we can use this when it comes to web development. Specifically, you can see applications, you can come across string applications where we have registrations happening. In most of the registration forms, we have a few columns, or we have a few places where we need to enter some data, and that data, for example, first name, last name, the middle name. Okay. So we use string functions to put them in an order. Then there are many more applications. When you work during your practicals, you will come across many of such applications. Thank you.